Good afternoon, guys. I was just opening up PS5 for a HDMI port replacement in my shop, and honestly, when I took these two covers off the PS5, it was full of bugs. So let's see. I took it outside. Otherwise, it's gonna destroy my shop with bugs. And here we go. A PS5 on a freaking floor. We need to remove a couple of screws, but still you can see some signs. What the fuck is that? I think I removed most of the screws, almost all of the screws, and it's time for is it coming out? I think I have to take this thing out. I have to take this thing out like that. Like that is so scary. I'm scared of bugs. I don't like bugs. Anything in here? Nothing. Nothing. Really nothing. Don't tell me. Because I'm pretty sure there are 1 million bugs in this thing. Fucking hell, man, look. Look, the bugs. There's so many of them. What are you gonna do? If this goes to my shop, that's gonna be a nightmare. Let's see. There's some dead here. In there. There's a freaking power supply. Little dog, come. Come, you bastard. Come. You fucking sneaky bastard. Come. No. There's no place to go in there. Go. Yeah. Do we have some more? Come on. Oh, bastard. What the fuck is this? This must be the fucking queen. No, where are you going? What the fuck did you go to the fucking power supply? Get out! Do we have some more? Must be hiding somewhere. Look at the queen. Oh, fucking asshole. What the fuck are you doing here? Any more? Look at that bastard. Oh, motherfucker, get out of the power supply. You fucking asshole. He went inside the power supply. But this guy doesn't like the sun. He doesn't like California.